Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today I will introduce our UV DTF transfer film for UV DTF printing. Firstly, we need to understand what is UV DTF printing. As you know, DTF is to print water-based color ink and white ink on PET film. Shake hot melt powder and dry, and then transfer the pattern to the fabric by the heat press. The breakthrough of UV DTF is to print UV ink on PET film and then share the design with a rigid material such as glass, acrylic board, wood, board, metal, leather, and so on, without the heat press. Secondly, there is a crucial thing that you need to know. If you are UV flat printer with UV adhesive glue print head or without, we have two kinds of UV DTF transfer film. For printers can print UV adhesive glue or not. Please inform us if you are printing with UV adhesive glue or not when you send us an inquiry. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.